Core 1, January 2008. The second question starts by asking us to differentiate this. So simple differentiation, times by the power, and the power goes down by 1. And 32x just going to 32, the 5 just disappearing. 3 marks for that. That's surprising. Find the x coordinate of m. Well, m is the stationary point, and at stationary point, I'd write at stationary point, the thing we're looking for is dy by dx equals 0. So let's write this thing here equals 0. 4x cubed, take away 32, equals 0. Add the 32 to both sides, divide them both by 3, gives you 8. You should be knowing that 8's a nice answer for this, because it gives x equals 2 as the number there. It does only ask for the x coordinate, so let's stop there. Next one there, differentiated again, d2y by dx squared. So go back up here, times by the power, and the power goes down by 1. We've got 12x squared. The minus 32 now disappears. Decide whether it's going to be a maximum or a minimum point. Well, we do that by putting this 2 into here. And what are we going to get here? We're going to get 12 times by 2 squared, or 12 times by 4, which is 48. I don't particularly care that it's 48. The only thing I care about is that it is actually positive. It's because it's positive, and therefore, if it's positive, it is a minimum point. Positive and then a minimum point. Last part. Determine whether it's increasing or decreasing when x is equal to 0. So we've got to do something with this 0. We're supposed to have got 3 places you're trying to think, are you going to put it in? Are you going to put it in up here and find out what the y number is when it's 0? Are you going to put it in here and find out what the gradient is when it's equals 0? Or are you going to put it in here to find out what the second derivative is when it equals 0? But the answer is you want to know what the gradient is at 0. So you've got to put it in there. Sticking 0 into there just makes 0. And so you've got dy by dx equals minus 32. It's going down, so it is a decreasing function at that point. Pretty quick question, that. Here is the mark scheme for all of those bits there. And here is the examiner's report. So most people pretty good at that one.